Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we rename guys Bluetooth device name in our Tecno phone device. Friends, we want to rename guys your phone Bluetooth device name. So my how can you rename today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this tab of settings. So you will have to click on more connection, tap here, then guys you can find your Bluetooth setting here guys, tap here friends, you can use your Bluetooth setting from here. After all you want to connect your device, you can connect. So I will click on guys my device name setting. I will tap here, I will cut the device name guys, new device guys. You can rename, you can change according to yourself. So I will change it to guys mobile techno Bluetooth. And guys rename option, tap here to rename. Friends, come back friends, you can check your Bluetooth device name has changed. So like that guys we can change our Bluetooth device name. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.